In this video I'm gonna show you how to use green screen or color key on TikTok. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your TikTok application and then tap on plus button to begin creating your new video. Then select effects option here to make this menu appears, and then select this effect. It calls color key. If I will look at camera, I hope you see me now, and here I can switch between backgrounds. There, yellow, brown, green, blue, white and dark. And now I can speak and move, and background is automatically replaced to that color. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.